Hi friends, welcome to all. In this video we are going to see the packet tracer activity, troubleshooting default gateway issues. Here is our objectives. In part 1 we will verify network documentation and isolate problems. In part 2 implement, verify and document solutions. Coming to the background, for a device to communicate across multiple networks, it must be configured with an IP address, subnet mask, and a default gateway. The default gateway is used when the host wants to send a packet to a device on another network. The default gateway address is generally the router interface address attached to the local network to which the host is connected. So in this activity we will finish documenting the network. We will then verify the network documentation by testing end-to-end connectivity and troubleshooting issues. The troubleshooting method we will use consists of the following steps: verify the network documentation and use a test to isolate problems, determine an appropriate solution for a given problem, implement the solution, test to verify the problem is resolved, and document the solution. Then throughout your CCNA studies we will encounter different descriptions of the troubleshooting method as well as different ways to test and document issues and solutions. So this is intentional. There is no set standard or a template for troubleshooting. Each organization develops unique processes and documentation standards, even if that process is we don't have one. However, all effective troubleshooting methodologies generally include the above steps. They given a note here. If you are proficient with the default gateway configurations, this activity might seem more involved than it should be. We can most likely quickly discover and solve all the connectivity issues faster than following these procedures. However, as you proceed in your studies, the networks and problems you encounter will become increasingly more complex. In such a situation, so the only effective way to isolate and solve issues is to use a methodical approach such as the one used in this activity. Alright. Now we will come to part 1, verify network documentation and isolate problems. In part 1 of this activity, complete the documentation and perform connectivity tests to discover issues. In addition, we will determine an appropriate solution for implementation in part 2. Now we will come to step 1, verify the network documentation and isolate any problems. Before you can effectively test a network, you must have complete documentation. Notice in the addressing table that some information is missing. Complete the addressing table by filling in the missing default gateway information for the switches and the PCs. Yes, we will check the addressing table here. We can see some of the default gateway of some of the device is missing here. So we will identify and we will make the documentation now. Here we can see our addressing table and we are going to update this default gateway. Right, first of all we will get the IP address of PC1 and PC2. So coming to PC1 desktop, here we can see the default gateway. It's 192.168.10.1. so that will be the same here in PC2 also. Right, so we will copy this information to our spreadsheet, PC1 and PC2. Now we will get the default gateway of PC3 and PC4. So here we can see that 192.168.11.1. we are going to copy that. We can see at PC4 also. Here we can see actually they given here 192.168.1.1. we will verify on router. This interface is gigabit ethernet 0/1. Enable show IP interface brief. Yes, here we can see that IP address is 192.168.11.1. So we will copy this and we will add to the Excel sheet here. PC PS3 and PC4, right? Now we are going to get the default gateway of S1 and S2. So for this S1, the default gateway will be the IP address of this interface, that is gigabit Ethernet 0/0. Here we can see that that is 10.1, and for this S2, the default gateway will be the IP address of this interface, gigabit Ethernet 0/1, that is 11.1. Yes, we will update in our spreadsheet. For S1, the default gateway is here. Yes, we will copy and paste it. And for the S2, here it is. Right, we will change the color here to black. Right, so we completed our addressing table. Now we will come to B. Test connectivity to devices on the same network. By isolating and correcting any local access issues, we can better test remote connectivity with the confidence that local connectivity is operational. Alright, we will do that. A verification plan can be as simple as a list of connectivity tests. Use the following tests to verify local connectivity and to isolate any access issues. The first issue is already documented, but you must implement and verify the solution during part 2. Right, so here is our testing and verification document. We are going to test from PC1 to PC2. It's successful. No, it's not successful. The reason they given the IP address on PC1, this is the issue. Solution, we must change the PC1 IP address, right? And we are going to do the remaining testing and we are going to document it. Now we will ping from PC1 to the switch S1. So we have to get the IP address of S1. So enable show IP interface brief, and here we can see that. Yes, I'm going to copy this address. Now we'll come to PC1 command prompt. Here we are going to ping to S1. We are waiting for the reply. Request timed out. No, we are not getting the reply. Coming to our spreadsheet, here we ping from PC1 to S1. So is it successful? No. And now we have to identify the issue. Yes, we will come to PC1 and we can see the IP address of PC1. Here we can see the address is on another network, so that's why the ping unsuccessful. We will come to our spreadsheet. The issue here we can see the IP address on PC1. This is a problem, so we must change the IP address. Right. Now we are going to do from PC1 to R1. From PC1 to R1 also we won't get, because here the IP address is on another subnet. So we will come to our spreadsheet. Successful? No. So the same issue and the solution. Anyway, we will test that. We will get the IP address of R1. Enable show IP interface brief, and here is the address. We're going to copy that. Coming to PC1 command prompt. Okay, right here 10.1. We will get a request timed out. Yes, it's unsuccessful. Now we will ping from PC2 to the switch S1. Command prompt. Right. We are waiting for the reply. Yes, we are getting the reply. Coming to the spreadsheet, here we are going to add the details from PC2 to S1. So successful? Yes. So no issues and solutions. Right. Now we will do it from PC2 to R1. Here the address is 10.21. Yes, we are getting the reply. Coming to the spreadsheet here. Yes, from PC2 to R1. Yes, we are getting the reply. So there is no issue. Now we will ping from PC3 to PC4. We will get the IP address of PC4. Right, we will come to PC3, command prompt, ping to PC4. Yes, we are getting the reply. Now we will ping from PC3 to S2. So we will get the IP address of S2. Enable show IP interface brief, and we have to get the IP address. Oh, here we can see IP address is not assigned. So anyway, then we cannot ping from PC3 to S2 or PC4 to S2. Also, we will check whether the default gateway is set or not on this S2. So here we can give show running config, and we will verify that. Yes, here we can see IP default gateway, yes, set on IS2. Coming to the spreadsheet, here from PC3 to S2. No, it's not successful because we have to set the IP address for switch 2. So the issue is IP address is not set. Coming to the solution, set IP address for S1, sorry, S2. Right. Next is PC. Right. PC4 to S2. The same problem here also. Right. Now we will ping from PC3 to R1. So we have to get the IP address of this interface. It is gigabit Ethernet 0/1. Yes, here we can see that. Okay, right. Enable show IP interface brief, and here is the address. I am going to copy that. Coming to PC3. So here we are going to ping to 11.1. Yes, we are getting the reply. Also, we will verify from PC4. Command prompt. Here we are going to ping to the router. Yes, we are getting the reply. Coming to the documentation, from PC3 to R1. Yes, it's successful. So we'll copy this. Here also same, because we successful from PC4 to R1 also. Here they given a note. The table is an example. You must create your own document. You can use a paper and pencil to draw a table, or you can use a text editor or spreadsheet. Consult your instructor if you need further guidelines. Yes, we have done that already. Test connectivity to remote devices such as from PC1 to PC4 and document any problems. This is frequently referred to as end-to-end connectivity. This means that all devices in a network have the full connectivity allowed by the network policy. So remote connectivity testing may not be possible yet, because you must first resolve local connectivity issues. Exactly. So after you have solved those issues, return to this step and test connectivity between networks. Right. Now we will come to step 2. Determine an appropriate solution for the problem. using your knowledge of the way networks operate and your device configuration skills. Search for the cause of the problem. For example, S1 is not the cause of the connectivity issue between PC1 and PC2. The link lights are green and no configuration on S1 would cause traffic to not pass between PC1 and PC2. So the problem must be with the PC1, PC2 or both. Right, we have done that already. Verify the device addressing to ensure it matches the network documentation. For example, the IP address for PC1 is incorrect as verified with the ipconfig command. Yes, so we have seen that. Suggest a solution that you think will resolve the problem and document it. For example, change the IP address for PC1 to match the documentation. So often there is more than one solution. However, it is a troubleshooting best practice to implement one solution at a time. Implementing more than one solution could introduce additional issues in a more complex scenario. Right. Anyway, this problem solution also we mentioned in our spreadsheet. Yes, here we given everything. Now we will come to part 2, implement, verify and document solutions. So in part 2 of this activity, we will implement the solutions we identified in part 1. We will then verify the solution worked. You may need to return to part 1 to finish isolating all the problems. So we will come to step 1, implement solutions to connectivity problems. Refer to your documentation in part 1. Choose the first issue and implement your suggested solution. For example, correct the IP address on PC1. Right, this is what we are going to do now. We will do one by one according to our documentation. We will come to our first problem and we will come to the solution. Here we can see PC1 and PC2 is not communicating. So IP address on PC1, there is the issue, and we are going to change the IP address on PC1. Right, so here we can see the IP address of PC1 in this addressing table, that is 10.10. So we will come to PC1 IP configuration. Here they given 11.10. So here we are going to change to 10.10. Now we will test from PC1 to PC2. Here is the address. Coming to PC1, command prompt. Right, here we have already that. No, so it's I'm going to paste that here, 10.11. right. Yes, now it is communicating. In spreadsheet we will mark that, verify. Yes, yes. Now we are going to ping from PC1 to S1. So we will get the IP address of S1. Yes, here it is. We'll come to PC1. Command prompt. We are going to ping to S1. We are waiting for the reply. Yes, we are getting the reply. Now we will do it on PC2. Ping. Yes, we are getting the reply. Coming to our spreadsheet. Now PC1 to S1 is successful. So we verified this. Yes. Now we will ping from PC1 to R1, because here we can see from PC1 to R1 is unsuccessful. So we will do that next. Okay, here is a 10.1. Yes, we are getting the reply. Coming to our spreadsheet. So from PC1 to R1 is now successful. So we verified this. We will check the next problem. PC3 to S2. So no IP address is set for this switch S2. and solution is we have to set the IP address for S2. Yes, we will do this now. Now we will configure S2. Before that, we will get the IP address of S2. Here is that, right? And here we can see the subnet mask. It's 255.255.255.0. Enable configure terminal. We have to go to the interface VLAN 1 and we are going to set the address. Here it is, and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0, and we are going to give a no shut command. Yes. Now we will ping from PC3 to S2 and PC4 to S2. Coming to PC3, command prompt, ping to PC3. You're waiting for the replay. Yes, we are getting the replay. Now we will come to PC4, command prompt. Here we are going to ping to the switch. We are waiting for the replay. Yes, we are getting the replay now. Coming to our spreadsheet, PC3 and PC4 now be able to ping to S2. So here we are going to verify it. Yes. Now we are going to ping from PC1 to other remote devices like PC3, PC4 or S2, or we can we can ping to the interface of gigabit Ethernet 0/1. Coming to PC1, right? First of all, we will ping to PC3, that is 11.10. Here we can see we are getting the replay. Now we will ping to PC4, so that is 11.11. We are waiting for the replay. No, ping is unsuccessful. Also, we are going to ping from PC1 to this S2, that is 11.2. Yes, we are getting the replay. Also, we will do to the interface on router 1, so 11.1. Yes, we are getting the replay. Coming to our documentation, from PC1 to PC3 we have done, then from PC1 to PC4 we have done, then from PC1 to S2 we have done. Also we have done from PC1 to R1 interface, so I am not going to note that it's successful already. So here from PC1 to PC3, yes, it's successful. So no need of all these issues and solutions. And from PC1 to PC4, no, it's not. Now we will identify the issues and solution. And from PC1 to S2, yes, it's successful. Right. First of all, we will check the IP address of PC4. Here we can see it's 192.168.11.11. We will verify that on PC4. IP config, and here we can check the IP address. Yes, it's correct. So we ping from remote desktop, so we have to check this default gateway also. So here we can see 192.168.1.1. yes, so here the default gateway is assigned incorrectly. Actually the default gateway is 192.168.11.1, right? So we will document it here. Coming to PC1 to PC4, yes, the issue is obviously incorrect default gateway on PC4. So here we have to change the default gateway. default gateway on PC4. Yes. Now we are going to ping from PC3 to PC1, PC2 and the switch S1. Coming to PC3 command prompt, right here we are going to give that ping to 10.10. we will give first PC1. Yes, it's successful. Now we will try to PC2. Yes, it's successful. Now we will try to the switch, so that's a 10.2. we are waiting for the reply. No. Yes, here we can see we are not getting the reply. We will check the problem on S1. We will verify whether default gateway is set for this S1 or not. Coming to that, enable show running config. Here we are going to verify this. Here they set the IP address, but we cannot see any default gateway set for the switch. Yes, this is the problem. Now we will document this. Coming to our spreadsheet, we ping from PC3 to PC1, then PC3 to PC2, and from PC3 to the switch S1. Right, so here we got the reply. So here it's successful, but from PC3 to S1 we didn't get. Yes, so here didn't set the default gateway. That is here we are going to give default gateway is not set. Here we have to assign the default gateway. Yes. Now we will come to the solution. Here we can see from PC1 to PC4 incorrect default gateway on PC4. So we must change the default gateway on PC4. Right. Here we can see that. So here we noted that the default gateway of a PC4, it's 11.1. right. We will come to PC4 IP configuration. It's 11.1. right. And the next problem is from PC3 to S1. Default gateway is not set on S1, so assign the default gateway. Right, we will do this now. Coming to S1, enable configure terminal, and we are going to set the default gateway. So here we have to specify the gateway. That's 192.168.10.1. right. Now we will test the connectivity from PC1 to PC4. So the IP address is 11.11. Yes, we are getting the reply. Now we will come to PC3 and we will ping to S1. Yes, 10.2. We are waiting for the reply. Request timed out. Yes, we are getting the reply. Coming to our spreadsheet, here PC1 to PC4 we verified. Yes. And from PC3 to S1 we verified. Yes. Now we will come to step 2. Verify that the problem is now resolved. Verify your solution has solved the problem by performing the test you used to identify the problem. For example, can PC1 now ping PC2? Yes, obviously we verified that. If the problem is resolved, indicate so in your documentation. For example, in the table above, a simple check mark would suffice in the verified column. Yes, we given there yes in that verified column. Now we will come to step 3. Verify that all issues are resolved. If you still have an outstanding issue with a solution that has not yet been implemented, return to part 2, step 1. We completed everything. Here we can see even our completion status is 35 out of 35. If all your current issues are resolved, have you also resolved any remote connectivity issues such as can PC1 ping PC4? Yes, we were facing this issue and we solved this problem. If the answer is no, return to part 1, step 1C to test remote connectivity. Yes, we have done that. Well, this packetizer activity is regarding troubleshooting default gateway issues. And in this video we have seen how to document the problems, then isolate problems, and finally how to resolve that issues. Dear friends, if you have any doubt, please comment below. Also, if you like my videos, give a thumb and don't forget to subscribe the channel so that you will get latest uploading video info into your Gmail. Thank you.